This is the LandTiger development board based on an ARM Cortex M3 LPC1768 from NXP. This board is available on eBay for less than $70, so I was very interested because the equivalent Kyle board costs in the region of $200 to $300, so I thought it'd be a good prototype board, but I wondered if I could use the free graphics library from Segger, the EmWin graphics library, with this board. As it turned out, there were no problems in getting the board to work with the Segger EmWin graphics. Although the board uses 8 pins from the micro to implement a 16-bit interface to the LCD by having an external latch that latches the upper 8 bits, that is all invisible to the EmWin graphics library. As far as the graphics library is concerned, it's just a 16-bit interface and the details are hidden from it. The only thing I found I needed to do was the calibration routine for this display. Typically we have an LCD screen displayed in green here, but the actual touch screen in blue is overlaid on that, and that gives us several types of error. It gives us a translation error where it's offset from the origin, a rotation error where it can be rotated slightly from its true position, and also a scaling error. Or scaling would be required anyway because the ADC, while it has the same number of bits in each direction, obviously the display X and Y dimensions are different, so you would have to have scaling. So that basically, between translation, rotation and scaling, that gives us 3 unknowns. So we need to set up a calibration routine with at least 3 points. So the 3 points will give us 3 independent equations that we can solve using integer math. We do not have to use floating point, and we can use integer math to calibrate the screen. So if I press the first point, the second point, and the third point, then I can go into an application, and this is one of the Segger EmWin example files where we're running an application where the size of the digits that are counting can be changed by the radio buttons on the side. So we can change these, and you can see we've got good control over that after having calibrated. So this board really has everything. It's got Ethernet, serial ports, CAN bus, SD card, it's got a built-in debugger, so, and it will run the free EmWin graphics library from Segger, all for less than $70. Thanks for watching.